dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about magnetic moment. How easily we will calculate magnetic moment we will discuss in this video. So magnetic moment is designated with nu. Formula is nu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Bohr magnetons, this is the unit. So magnetic moment formula nu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Here nu is nothing but magnetic moment. Here n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons to constant. So you have to calculate very easily magnetic moment of the elements. For example, Fe plus 3. Atomic number of iron 26. Atomic number of iron is 26. So electronic configuration 4s2 3d6. So atomic number 26, electronic configuration is 4s2 3d6. So here see Fe plus 3, right? Fe plus 3 means 3 electrons are lost by the iron. So we will write 3 electrons. We will remove 3 electrons from the valence shell. So it will become 4s0. This is 3d5. So how many unpaired electrons are there here? 5 electrons are there. So n value here 5. So we have to substitute in this formula root over n into n plus 2. So 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 7. 7 5s are 35. This is root 35. So root 35 value 5.91. 5.91. So we will see one more example. Manganese Mn plus 2, we will take Mn plus 2. So manganese atomic number 25, electronic configuration, that is valence electronic configuration 4s2 3d5. 4s2 3d5. So here Mn plus 2, right? So 2 electrons we will remove from the valence shell, that is it will become 4s0 and 3d5. So here also 5 valence electrons are there, 5 unpaired. We will see here how many unpaired electrons are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 unpaired electrons are there. So same formula, n into n plus 2, n into n plus 2. Here n value 5. So 5 5 plus 2 7. 7 5 are 35. Root 35. Same what we did in before, same value. This is 5.91 Bohr magnetons will come. So one more example we will see. Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2. So atomic number is 30. Electronic configuration is 4s2 3d10. So here Zn plus 2, right? So 2 electrons will remove from the valence shell. So it will become 4s0 3d10. So no unpaired electrons here. So n value is equal to 0. Nu value also will become 0. 0 Bohr magnetons. So here if you find out n value 0, nu value also 0. 0 Bohr magnetons. N value will become 1. If you find out n value 1, nu value will become 1.73 Bohr magnetons. N value 2, nu value 2.82 Bohr magnetons. N value 3, nu value will become 3.87 Bohr magnetons. N value 4, nu value 4.89 Bohr magnetons. N value 5, nu value 5.91 Bohr magnetons. N value will become 6, nu value 6.92 Bohr magnetons. So this one you have to remember, this one without calculation, by the number of unpaired electrons only you will find out the magnetic moment value. So here you have to do one thing. If you find out n value 0, all will become 0. If you find out n value 1, 1 plus 2, right? So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 1 are 3. So that is root 3. Like that, n value 2, 2 plus 2, you have to add with number 2. That answer 4 is multiplied with this 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 2 are 8, that is root 8. Root 8 value here 2.82 Bohr magneton. Like that, number of electrons, unpaired electrons, number of unpaired electrons are 3. You have to sum with 2 and total value multiplied with 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 3 are 15, so root 15. Root 15 value here 3.87. Number of electrons is 4, you have to sum with 2, then that value is multiplied with 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 4s are 24, that is root 24. Root 24 value is 4.89. So like that we did here. So number of unpaired electrons is 5, just we have to sum with 2 and that value is multiplied with 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 5 are 35, root 35. Root 35 value here 5.91. Or number of unpaired electrons is 6, you have to sum with 2, total value is multiplied with 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 7 6 are, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 6 are 48, so root 48. Root 48 value 6.92 Bohr magnetons. Like that we will calculate easily magnetic moment. And here one more thing, simple thing you have to see here. Number of unpaired electrons is 1, definitely your answer will start with 1 point. Number of unpaired electrons is 2, your answer will start with 2 point. Number of unpaired electrons 3, your answer will start with 3 point. Number of unpaired electrons is 4, answer will start with 4 point. Number of unpaired electrons is 5, answer will start with 5 point. Number of unpaired electrons is 6, answer will start with 6 point. So in multiple choice question, it will be easy to find out the answer.